The success of Bitcoin triggered the creation of alternative digital currencies. In 2015, an innovative ecosystem known as Ethereum appeared. Today, its native token stands as the second most widely used cryptocurrency worldwide. Ethereum represents a decentralized and open-source network grounded in blockchain technology. Its goal is to streamline peer-to-peer transactions between Ether owners. While Bitcoin focuses on executing transactions without intermediaries, Ethereum's main purpose is to support decentralized apps, finance systems, and exchanges. It is also important to note that Ethereum's block confirmation time is around 10 to 15 seconds. Plus, it has second-layer networks, also known as Layer 2 solutions, while Bitcoin transactions usually take 15 to 30 minutes to be processed. The essential elements of Ethereum are smart contracts. These tools define the rules and obligations of an agreement between participants. Smart contracts function as pieces of code running within the Ethereum network. At their core, they showcase the vital characteristics of blockchain: transparency, security, accessibility, and decentralization. On Ethereum, most activities are handled by smart contracts.
On top of that, smart contracts enable the creation of decentralized applications such as exchanges, lending protocols, oracles, token sales, and ICO platforms, and many other blockchain-based services. Although Ethereum is software-based, Ether is the digital asset powering its economy. Ether is produced through mining under Ethereum's proof-of-work model. Due to ecological concerns, Ethereum has been working towards switching to the proof-of-stake mechanism. Initially, Ether was intended only for network operations. Today, however, it is also used as a payment tool across Ethereum-driven decentralized applications. Thanks to Ethereum's growth, concepts such as decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens became reality. If Bitcoin was the spark for the crypto industry, Ethereum represented blockchain's progress beyond a simple peer-to-peer payment model. Want to expand your knowledge of cryptocurrency trading? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the button below. For more detailed insights and tutorials, visit Margex blog. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and may the markets move in your favor.